Hey there, Gem Car lovers, it's Grant again, and once again we're back with the 2013 E4 with the 24-cell lithium Chevy Bolt. And on this one I just kind of wanted to show you how the car kind of cruises around. We are in lovely Copperopolis, California here, and I got some rolling hills, and I just wanted to kind of show you what kind of amperage and speed we're pulling. Quickly we'll go over things. This is a stock GE 7 horsepower vented motor. There she is right there. The only modifications we have is the magic magnet, which allows this car with just simply plugging in that to go over 40 miles an hour if your car has the horsepower to do so. The car, like as stated, it has a 24 cell lithium ion kit, and let's see, we're pushing 95 volts. That's this number right here, and our highest cell 4.006, and our lowest 398 volts. This is our amperage, so this is what you want to keep an eye on. And then I'm on the little iPad with the GPS speed, so we'll try and flash back and forth between those two gauges, and you can kind of get an idea like what kind of speed we're pulling at 40 miles an hour, and what kind of amps we're pulling. So I'll try and keep an eye or flash between those two. And sorry, the light's not very good right now on that, but it'll get better. I'll make a U-turn here, chase this truck down. Okay, so here we go. So 29, 30 miles an hour at 140 amps, 34 miles, 36. So we're pulling roughly 96 amps at 43 miles an hour. The road's going to tick down a little bit here, so we are going to be going on a slight downhill. And I'll start putting the beans to it. Okay, you can see my amps are rising up there. What we got here now is actually our speed is increasing, and you notice our amps are decreasing. So the torque is not being pulled through the battery, it's just hitting it voltage. And you'll notice when the incline starts ticking up here, you'll notice the amperage starts climbing. So here we go. We're up to 107 amps, 120, 113, 126 at 40 miles an hour. So it varies. Like if you have a slight uphill, you notice your amperage are going to tick up. And when you level out, your amps are gonna drop down. Now that's all energy that's being extracted from the battery. So this thing scoots along really good. And again, this isn't an aftermarket high performance controller or aftermarket high performance motor. Stock motor, stock Gem Car transmission. The 1035 transmission, and you can push 40, 45 miles an hour without pretty much any problem. So again, we're on a little bit of a downhill here. So 76 amps at 48 miles an hour. At 44 miles an hour. Take a look around here. The hills are real green right now. right, that was just to give you guys a quick idea of what this thing will do, and what 24 cells in a little high voltage can do for your stock Gem Car motor. And you know, my impression is you don't need an aftermarket D&D motor. Sure, I think they're really nice. In fact, I really want to try one out on this car. I think some of the whine you're hearing would go away. This GE motor has got a lot of miles on it. That's the whine you're hearing, I think. So, and I'd like to see if the D&D motor is actually, or Ride for Fun, whichever you want to call it, is more efficient, noting amps versus miles per hour. So that would be an interesting test. I haven't been able to get my hands on one, and I do think they're nice. I just don't think they're needed. So if you had $1,500, $2,000 to spare, I would be looking at a lithium kit versus a high-performance motor and controller. This controller handles all the voltage. You can throw out it and sit with the motor and the speed. I mean, I put probably 25, 30 miles every other day on this car, and in the rain, and you know, this is my daily driver, and it works just fine. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed.